In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively end a Zoom meeting for all participants. Ending a Zoom meeting might sound straightforward, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow to ensure everything closes down smoothly for everyone involved. Whether you're wrapping up a virtual class, a business meeting, or a casual get-together, this guide will help ensure a seamless exit for all participants. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoom.us to access Zoom's official platform. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the Sign In button. Click that and enter your credentials like your email and password. This gets you into your account where you can manage your meetings. Once you've signed in, it's time to head over to your meeting. Navigate to your scheduled meetings from the panel, or you can use the meeting link you've provided to your attendees for quick access. Upon entering the meeting, ensure everything is ready to be wrapped up. Ending things neatly ensures there are no abrupt disruptions for the participants. Now, in the meeting interface, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled End. This is your key to closing the meeting. When you click this button, you have two choices: Leave Meeting or End Meeting for All. The Leave Meeting option will only remove you, leaving the meeting to continue without you. To end the meeting for everyone, you will need to select End Meeting for All. This option ensures that once you leave, the meeting ends completely and no one else remains in the session. It's a critical step for hosts who want to finalize their meetings appropriately and make sure there are no loose ends. So there you have it, a complete guide to ending a Zoom meeting for all participants. Just remember, open the Zoom website, sign in, access your meeting, hit that End button at the bottom right, and be sure to choose End Meeting for All to close it down for everyone. It's a simple 5-step process that ensures your virtual meeting ends smoothly and professionally. With practice, it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helped enhance your skills in managing online meetings. See you next time.